Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? So for today's video guys, ay sasagutin ko naman yung tanong ni Ma'am Trixie. But before everything guys, kaklaruhin ko lang na I'm not a lawyer here. So I just want to share it with you, our experience. So okay, ito yung tanong ni Ma'am Trixie. Sabi niya, I have a question sis. I'm going to do our adjustment of status for K1 visa and K2 visa 17 years old daughter. If I apply for Form I-765 including biometrics and Form I-131 including biometrics for K1 and K2 visa, may bayad ba? Magkano and is for each ba? Also, we do have to pay biometric each forms ba for my daughter and I? Please let me know. Okay, sasagutin ko yung tanong mo sis. Pag mag-file ka ng adjustment of status, yung green card, yung employment authorization, at saka yung advance parole, so ang babayaran mo sa pag-process ng green card, it's $1,140 yung babayaran mo sa green card mo, tapos $85 yung biometrics. So, pag mag-file ka ng adjustment of status, yung Form I-485 mo, lagyan mo ng ziplock doon, at saka yung ID mo na 2x2, at ilagay mo din doon yung payable check na nagkahalaga ng $1,225. So, ito yung $1,140 for your green card, and then $85 for your biometrics. So that's why it's $1,225 yung halaga sa payable check mo doon na ilagay mo sa ziplock mo. At yes, each one of you, so $1,225 yung sa'yo, at saka $1,225 yung sa anak mo na 17 years old. So, pag ma-biometrics ka na, hindi ka na magbabayad dahil include na doon sa binayaran mo. So, yung Form I-765 mo for employment authorization at saka Form I-131 na advance parole, parang naging pre na lang siya sa pag-process mo ng green card mo. So, wala siyang babayaran, hindi mo kailangan maglagay ng payable check doon sa Form I-765 at saka sa Form I-131. And also, before I forget, USCIS will schedule your biometric. At yun lang sis, sana nasagot ko po yung katanungan niyo. Good luck po sa inyo ng K2 mo sis. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye!